Hey Miss Braden's class, welcome to our math channel. Today we're going to be using a couple of different strategies to help us solve subtraction equations. Mir, I can count all or some to solve a subtraction equation. Mir, I can count all or some to solve a subtraction equation. Let's get started. Okay, the first strategy we're going to look at is counting all. Alright, so this is kind of like counting all when we use addition, except we're going to be using subtraction. Okay, we're going to start here with the first number, which is the number 7, okay? And we're going to create counters for all 7. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now this is a little bit different than the addition strategy in that we're not going to then draw 4 more counters because it is a subtraction equation. That means we're going to take some away. Okay? So I want you to look here. We need to take away 4 counters. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many do we have left? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. So my answer is 3. Now, there's another strategy you can use, and that's called counting sum. Counting sum, for the tool we're going to use is we're going to use our fingers. Okay, I want you to hold up 7 fingers. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 fingers. Okay? Now it's very simple. How many fingers do we need to take away or do we need to put down? That's right. We need to put down 4 fingers. So let's put down 4 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many fingers do I have left? That's right. I have 3 fingers left. Either strategy will work. You can use your fingers or your hands, or you can use counters. You can count all, or you can count some. It doesn't matter. Whatever works best for you, I want you to use the strategy that works best for you. But it doesn't matter which strategy you use, you're still going to get the same answer. So you might be wondering what you can do if you have a larger number that you have to subtract from. Maybe there's regrouping involved, maybe there's no regrouping involved. Well, there are 2 different strategies you can use, or 2 different tools, sorry. One tool is that you can use place value discs, or you could use base 10 blocks. Mir, I can use place value discs or base 10 blocks to solve a subtraction equation. I can use place value discs or base 10 blocks to solve a subtraction equation. Let's look here at what that looks like. So we're going to start going left to right, just like you read. We're going to start with the number 23. Okay? How many 1s are in the number 23? That's right, 3. So I'm going to draw 3 1s. 1, 2, 3. And these are place value discs, so I'm going to put the number 1 in each so that I know. There are 2 10s. So I'm going to draw 2 place value discs, each one worth 10. Now, I need to take away 6. Okay? I have only 3 1s to give. So that means I need to take one of these 10s and move it over here. So now I'm going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I've added this 10 to my 1s place. Okay. Now I have plenty of 1s to subtract 6 from. So I'm going to go ahead and cross out 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This leaves me with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 1s and 1 10. So that gives me 10 plus 7. What is 10 plus 7? That's right. 10 plus 7 is 17. So, my answer, 23 minus 6, is 17. If you don't believe me, check it. 6 plus 17 is 23. Now, that's how you use place value discs. You can also use base 10 blocks. Okay, it's the same thing. You're going to start left to right. Let's look at the number 23. There are 3 ones, so I'm going to draw 3 little squares. And there are 2 10s, so I'm going to draw 2 10s. Okay? Now, same thing. I need to take away 6, but there aren't enough 1s. So that means I have to get rid of a 10 and move it over here and create 1s to use. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I have enough 1s to subtract from. That gives me, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm left with 7 1s and 1 10, which is equal to 10. So 10 plus 7 equals 17. 23 minus 6 is 17. The answer is 17. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you guys next time.